Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about NBA 2K error code, fee12ea9. The error reads, "This game mode is disabled because Easy Anti-Cheat was unable to authenticate with the server. Make sure Steam is online and connected to the internet." As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch NBA 2K and play online, but they receive the error on the screen, which prevents them from accessing the game mode. According to our research, the error is likely caused when Easy Anti-Cheat fails to authenticate with the server. This may happen if there is a problem with Steam, internet connection, or a temporary glitch with the anti-cheat system. The first thing we suggest is to sign out of Steam and then sign back in. Wait for a few minutes to let Steam reload and sync again. Once done, launch NBA 2K and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then shut down Steam completely and restart your PC. Once the system is back on, open Steam and try launching the game. And check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try running Steam as administrator. And see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then make sure your Steam client is updated. Simply exit Steam, then install any pending updates, and then restart Steam. Once Steam is restarted, try opening NBA 2K and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, then try restarting your PC and re-downloading Steam. Once Steam is freshly installed, log in and launch NBA 2K. Then check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.